Hello and welcome everyone to part 19 of the FJ45 restoration series. So as you saw in the previous video, we have a lot of progress done. So we laid down some epoxy, we started and finished the body work, we laid down a coat of color on the truck, as well as we got some new tires for the truck. Also, above that, we made the special coating on the floors. So in this video, I'm gonna focus, at least for now, on the wheels, sand them down, prep them for some paint, and also we might be grinding some stuff on the frame, just prepping it for sealing. So let's get to it. Alrighty folks, so we sanded the wheels, masked them out, ready for paint. We also cleaned a lot on the frame. It's ready also for some epoxy. We also welded some stuff around that was broken. Also we did a little bit of metal work on the rear bumper. Now it's all ready to be sprayed in with some epoxy sealer. So that's what you're gonna see right now. Guys, so it's late at night now, as you can tell. But we are committed to what we're gonna do today. So we had a plan and we're gonna finish the plan. So we're gonna stay out late till we spray some paint on the wheels. Okay guys, so it's the next morning here. As you saw last night, we stayed committed to our plan and we finished painting the wheels and they're all done. Now we have a special color that's being made right now for the axle shaft on the differential at the end. It's a grayish, greenish kind of color. It's gonna look all military stuff. So when the paint arrives, I'm gonna slap it on, then bolt the wheels on the truck. Maybe do a test drive for the new drive shaft, the 4-wheel drive system. As for right now, we're gonna start sanding on the interior. Okay folks, so now with that done, I'm gonna mount the wheels on and give it a test drive. Okay guys, so it's the next day here, and as you saw yesterday we mounted the wheels on. We did not do a test drive, but hopefully we can do it today. Anyway, we made a lot of body work on the back of the cab. We didn't make it to the interior as we said, because we got delivery of this thing, which we're gonna be rebuilding on this channel soon. So stay tuned for that. As for right now, we marked the holes for the back of the cab. We're gonna drill them out and do a bunch of body work on it as well. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we got the new 10 signals out. We're gonna test fit them. We drilled this hole and there was 2 guide holes for those 2 guides, and it's on perfectly. Cool. Guys, so it's the next morning here. As you can see, we've made a lot of roads and construction site on this back of the cab here, because I'm planning on putting seat sealer along all the seams and stuff. So we got this thing, which is Monlac special coatings, industrial, automotive and decorative, which is this material is designed for application only by professional trained persons. Oh yeah, professional trained, using proper equipment under controlled conditions. Oh, you're gonna see the proper equipment for that later. So as you guys remember, we need professional tools for this job, so this is the special gun. Real professional. So if you want to buy this special applicator gun, so I don't know if it's available on Amazon or not. Okay guys, so all the jokes aside, we are real professionals. So we got this weld job, as you can tell, by junk tools. So we don't have the right tools for the job, but we can make it by nothing. So we are the most professional out there. Doesn't get more professional than this. Guys, so as you saw, we've made a lot of progress done with the seam sealer. Every possible seam that we saw, we sealed with the seam sealer.
Concerning the interior.
Concerning the interior, of course. Got back of the cab, doors, which looks amazing. This is all piece of art. So this car will be artificial when it's done. Anyway, I'm gonna leave them cure for the night and catch you tomorrow in the morning. Okay guys, so it's the next day here, and as you see, we've let the seam sealer cure overnight. Now we're gonna go straight to masking and prepping the interior for some paint. Guys, so now that we got everything prepped, it's now time to spray on some primer. Guys, so now that we have sprayed everything with primer, it's now time to throw on some paint. Okay guys, so it's the next morning here, and well, we dried overnight, so The painting process went on smooth, but there's still a couple of spots that needs to be addressed. Bondo here, bondo there, stuff like that. So I'm gonna be addressing that in later video. Now we're gonna focus on, maybe in this video. Now we're gonna focus on, well, if you haven't noticed yet, still on the same parking spot. So we've mounted new wheels, got new drivetrain installed, but we didn't try any of those out. So now we're gonna throw in a battery, crank it up, give it a test drive, see if everything is working smooth. Okay guys, so after we took the truck down, we made a little bit of test drive, you can say. We cleaned out the workspace, so everything's clean. Now we can work again with cleanliness. Okay guys, so as you saw we made a test drive and the transfer case works flawlessly, but it has a little bit of a ticking sound from the front end over here, which I think might go when greasing. So if we grease everything up, it might go away, so we'll see about that. Okay, so while on the test drive we tried both 4 low and 4 high, as you saw, because that's what we were trying. 4 high, neutral, 4 low. All worked flawlessly, but we had a problem, which is we couldn't get it back into too high. We tried all the methods and the only one that worked is while driving on first gear, 4 high. Lift your foot off the gas pedal without pressing the clutch and smack it into too high. Okay guys, so it's the next morning. Now I'm gonna give you a cold start and then move the truck to the side so we have more workspace and get straight to body work. Okay guys, so 9 hours later, we are still doing some body work. We're reaching the end, so we're gonna cut it over here and continue body work off camera, and we'll catch you when we will be shooting some primer on the final coat of primer on all the body parts. So catch you then. This is the end of this video. Hopefully you had fun. See you on the next one. Peace.